So here's how to sign up for Amazon affiliates. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you need to do is go in any search browser in your PC and search for affiliate-program.amazon.com here. Click on Join Now for free. Type your name here, then write your email, and after that, create your password. After putting all the informations, click on Create Your Affiliate Account button. Then verify your account by putting the OTP that have been sent on your provided email address. Then again, click on Create Your Affiliate Account. Then this interface will open. Type your name here. Type your address here where you live. Then type city here. Select country. Write province here and zip code here. Write your phone number here. Then select on Next. Add your website link here and click on Next. Select No here and click on Confirm. Now this profile portion will come. Write any preferred associate ID here for confirming that this sales belongs to you. Write about your website here to show for which it is made. Then select categories of it from here. Also check categories from here. Now select website type here. Here select the means where you bring traffic. Now select where you utilize your websites and apps to generate income. In this case, I am clicking on this option. Select all the options carefully. Now click on this option and choose where you built links. Now select range of total visitors your website get. Now select reason for joining and where you hear about Amazon Associate Program for just formality. Here write characters from above image for verification. Check on Agree to the terms and conditions and select on Finish. Now you can see here that your account is created. Now select on Payment and Text information here to complete your text information here. Now select on your matching informations here. Select on Individual. Select No if you are not a U.S. person. I am selecting Yes here and enter your name here. Select Country and select Continue. Select Non-Qualified Intermediary here, then check on these options. Now check on this option as all the services are outside the U.S. Check this and click on Save and Continue. Then this will open again. Click on Save and Continue. Check on Go Paperless, I consent and I agree here. Put your name and Gmail here and select on Click on Save and Continue. Click on Exit Interview here. Here we have completed our interview.